Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम उस्मान भाई।
Yesterday I asked one question. So if sir is online, I'll ask that question in the meantime till the class start.
Yeah, walaikum salam. Yes, sure.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, you said that from after 2012 server edition, they have gone to cloud. They have started the cloud-based servers. So my doubt was, like, before 2012, all the versions were like physical servers. After 2012, we had all the virtual servers. That was my question, actually.
Hello. Yes, yes. So before 2012, actually cloud is nothing but virtual servers. Okay, the technology is come early 90s, but that is not is became a famous virtual. Only people are prefer to physical environment. Are you listen Usman?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm
Everybody.
listening.
So see here, I give the example. Before that, 60, 17 years back, people not kept our money in the bank.
Yes, they used to
I'm
keep
talking
it
about, yes,
at home.
70, yes, the physical.
Yes.
So they are kept their own lockers, own some. If you go grandfather parents, so they are kept in the sanduk, like the people
Yes,
on the
sir.
story,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Got the when the bank is launched, right? Bank concept is launched, so people are going to be scared. So how can put the money in the banks, right? Because if bank people are take the
Yeah.
money and go away,
Yes.
so that is
If
it.
they run away, who will be
Yes,
responsible? Like,
yes, who's responsible? So we lost all money, everything, right? So people
yes,
are going to be scared. Nowadays, people are thinking if we store that our money
at
and
home.
say the so it's not secure, right? In bank, it's full secure.
Yes, sir.
Same like that in 2000, because Microsoft is not before Microsoft already virtualization technology is come VMware company, right?
Okay.
But that time people are going to be scared. Oh, our physical server is we are seeing the our physical server, we have to take care of our server everything physically. The means the server is front of eyes, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is the reason they are thinking, oh, this server is safe. So nobody is going to be to
Yeah.
store some other place, right? So that is the reason cloud is, that means virtualization is not become a familiar.
Okay.
Got the point?
Yes, sir.
But that least the year is gone, the people are going to be familiar, people are going to take the advantages. So same like that, Microsoft also is going to update features is adding.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes,
So
sir.
that is the reason. So they started from 2012, 2008 is started, actually started, but is not supported fully. Means that is the initial stage of the Microsoft to is come to the cloud. Okay, so that is the reason is not full-fledged to support to virtualization. Okay, so now 2012 is support to virtualization, start the virtualization, and new concept is PowerShell, means command line. Before this is not command line in 2008 also, but is not fully supported. But in 2012 they are a success. Got the point? So
Yes,
that
sir.
is the reason, the main my intention to say that one. So fully supported. Got the point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got it.
Understand?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Actually, feature is available, but people are became a familiar. So that is the reason is added the feature. So in 2012 is fully supported. That is the reason I'm telling. Clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, I think shall we start, right? Because 2:36 is already right. Hello, everybody
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
is
We
here.
can start. Bismillah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So previous we discussed about the operating system, right? So before that operating system, we discussed about the topology or types of networks in the server models. Okay, so work group model and domain model. Work group model is nothing but peer to peer, and domain model is nothing but server based, server and clients. Okay, so what is the advantage, what is the disadvantage? Okay, so where we can use the work group network and where we can use the server base or domain model. Okay, we discuss after that operating system, desktop operating system and server operating system. In the desktop operating system, where we can use, why we can use the desktop operating system. Okay, got the point. So how many operating system like 95, 98, 98 millennium, Windows XP and Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, right? Clear? Hello everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This
Yes.
is the
Yeah.
revision of the topics we
Yes,
had up to now.
yes. After that, we are come to the server operating system. And server operating system, we have many operating system in Windows. Windows server operating system. First, the launch NT 4.0, 3.0. After that, NT 4.0. After that, Windows. Actually, that is NT 5. 5.0 5. So, but the year is 2000. So that is the reason they are called Windows 2000. Before that, the name is NT5 for NT 3.1, NT 3, NT 4.0, like new technology. NT means new technology. Clear? Hello, everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's
Yeah.
clear.
Yes,
So,
sir.
yes. Okay. So that is NT4. So now NT4, when the Microsoft is launched NT 5. X. So that time the year is 2000. So that is the reason they slightly changed the name. Windows they call Windows 2000. After that, every 3 years, 4 years, they launched the new operating system. They kept that they kept the name of that year. Windows 2000, Windows 2003, Windows 2008, Windows 2012, Windows 2000, whatever. Okay, 16, 19, whatever. Right. But when you see, uh, I don't know how many people are seen or how many people are observed. One after the operating system name, like a Windows operating system, Windows operating system, Windows. Are you able to see what? Right? Yes, good. Everyone.
Yes, sir. We are able to see.
Yes, yes. So after after you see the name R1, R2 like that, I don't know how many people observe and how many people are know about that one. For example, in the network, if you go Windows, see here, R2. Are you able to see?
No, sir, we are able to see the screen, Foundation, Essential, Standard.
Yes, R2. See here, R2.
We are able to see the notepad screen.
Oh, notepad screen.
Yeah, that's actually stuck there.
Not internet. Okay. So currently page. Now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are able to see now this URL
See,
screen.
yes. So 2012 editions, 2012 R2, right?
Yes.
Same like that, 2003 R2, R2. What the point? Hello, everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Everyone, not only Usman.
Yes, sir.
Amjad,
Yes, sir.
Amjad, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, yes. So, can you tell me, anybody, what is the R2, R1?
Sir, I think it is
Like a
release 1, release 2,
version.
release 1, release 2. Something
They are
like
adding some update and they are sending in R1, R2. Like
Revised.
Okay. So, they are adding some updates and there's release, right? So, that is the R1, release 1, release 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, why is releasing R1, R2 like that? What is the reason behind?
This is right. Research every year they will update the features.
But in 2012 only R1, R2. In 2016 no. So that means in 2016 is not update.
It is updated, but maybe some more features or other than this.
And may I know your name?
This is Mukhtar, sir.
Mukhtar. Yes, Mukhtar. Okay. Any other? Usman, Amjad, and Hamza.
sir, I think from 2016 onwards, they have updated all the releases, like all the features. And then after that, they are continuously giving the updates. With that updates itself, like the new versions will get installed. So before that, they used to release the versions. From 2016, they integrated all the earlier features, and then with some add-ons, and then they started giving the updates. So updates and patches. So with
Okay.
and that updates and patches, your system will be up to date with their all the updates and patches, I suppose.
Yes. Okay. So first thing, do you think all the maximum company across the globe, so how many companies? More than 88,000 company, MNC companies, is done in that those company is working 3 shift, 2 shift, like that 65,000 company is working across the globe. Okay. So in that, so maximum company is using the Windows, suppose, right? So Microsoft is launch new operating system, which launch and provide to the company. Do you think the operating system is support to each and every software and every device, every third-party tools, and every application?
No,
No, right? Obviously, because so that time, first operating system Microsoft is released, testing means ISO, like that. Testing purpose is launch and provide to the companies. Okay, so first, because we are going to launch the new operating system, is provide. So that is testing operating system is provide. So company will take and install and they try to run the all operating systems, all applications, and whatever they want, all devices and all our tools. Okay, whatever. in that some application, some devices is not supported, right? So they will take the information and provide to again Microsoft. Got the point, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Others, please keep you on mute, please.
Someone, I don't know. Elections is over now. Okay, clear. So that time, Microsoft is take that information from the company and they provide to developers, and developers is take that information and they are editing, modified, okay, all this thing. After that, they launch the one operating system. Okay, what the point? After launching, some more information suppose is still is not supported, some devices, some program. So that time again the company will complain to Microsoft, and Microsoft again is modified and edit in that one. So related to devices, related to application, related to tools, related to software, and then that time they are said this release 1, release 2.
Okay.
Understand? So first is launch testing purpose, second is launch for business purpose, but is not supported to someone, again get back to the Microsoft in that some new things they added, whatever they want to developers. Okay, so again they release, second time they release the operating system, same operating system, not new operating system, same operating. So that time they said release 1, release 2, release that. Okay, so how many release are come? So that much the operating system is weak, and you can say that is not suitable. It's not good for the company. If the operating system have the more release, R1, R2, R3, 2003, R1, 2003, R2, 2003, R3, R 2003, R4, like that. What the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so like the 2003, 2000 Windows 2000 operating system have 3 or 4 release, R1, R2, R3, like that. So because that is the beginning time, right? So that time is not supported. So that time is so after that 2003 and 2008. So that is only less releases, R1, R2, like that. Okay, got the point? Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So why is the release that? What is the happen? Okay, clear?
Yes.
Right now, every operating system, Microsoft operating system have editions. Just Usman see that this is foundation. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, foundation, essential, standard, data center. So these are the editions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Anybody can say or anybody can tell why is editions is there, and what is the different? If you go to the Google, if you go to the book, so you can find even Microsoft books also, you can find foundation is support this much RAM, support this much processor, is this much storage, essential support this much user, this much. Okay, everywhere, even Google, you can ask big brother Google to Google also reply to you the same thing. Okay, but actually why the additions? If anybody?
Yes, sir. According to the various business needs, this is actually designed. Like foundation and essentials are just for research and educational purpose, I suppose. And then
Okay.
data centers is where all the servers, big companies servers are there. So they are able to manage their database using that data centers.
So according to you are saying, according to yourself, so if big company is there, so they are using the data center, right?
Yeah, data
Data
servers.
center servers.
Yeah.
Okay, data servers. Okay. So other companies, for example, colleges, universities, they are using the foundation and essential, right?
Yeah, foundation as per the requirement
As per
might
the
be
yes,
like
yes,
they like foundation, essentials, and standard.
yeah.
There are different
Obviously,
few.
university is not like that much company, right? For example, IBM and Usmania University. Do you think those people are using the same server?
No.
No.
IPS server is
So according to
far.
me, Osmania University is use essential or foundation, right?
Yes.
And IBM company use the data server, right?
Data server. Yes, sir. Exactly.
Okay. Any other else? Mukhtadir, Amjad, Hamza. Everybody is there? Or still
Yes, sir.
Juma?
Yes, sir. What is said is right, sir.
We are present, sir.
Yes, present.
Yeah, sir.
But only body present.
Yes, a little bit.
Why
Yeah.
little bit? Yeah, completely. I need both, physically or
Yeah, sir,
mentally.
trying to concentrate here. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now tell me what I said just few couples of minutes before. Anybody?
Osmania University and IBM company use the
IBM
same.
company. Okay. May I know your name?
Azimuddin, sir.
Azimuddin. Yes, Azimuddin. Okay. Yes. Usmania Studio or IBM company, right? So Usman said that because based on the requirement, okay, so we are use a server. For example, 10 people are there. For example, college. Usman start the college. So 4-3 branches is there. So if I ask Usman, which server you want to prefer to configure in your organization? So he said maybe foundation or essential, right? Abdul Qadir, if I ask, so Abdul Qadir, I start the IBM company across the India. He have the branch office. So that time he said the data center, right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. But it's correct, but not that much correct answer. Okay. See here, is based on the
Cost
designing.
effective also, no, sir.
Hello? Yes?
It will be cost effective also.
Yes, cost effective also, right.
And new technology is a smart way. If the company wants to move forward, they go for new technology,
Yes.
smart work, to consume less time.
Yes. So which one I need to use?
The advanced ones, sir, based upon the pocket also.
See
How
here,
much?
means once they launch, for example, 2012 or 16, they launch. So same time they launch 4 operating system, right? These 4 additions, foundation, essential, standard, means that according to you say the new technology, new feature, all our feature is available. So that time, which one I need to use?
Suitable, which one is suitable for our cost effective and as per our
Requirement.
requirements.
Yes, that's okay. So for example, if you want to open the company, okay, in the Bangalore and Hyderabad or Chennai, so that time which server additions you will going to use?
Data center, obviously.
And you,
Same thing, data center.
may I know your name?
Mukhtar is
Yes, Mukhtar. Yes, Mukhtar. Your voice is changing every 5 minutes, right? Why?
no, sir.
Okay, got the point, Mukhtar. So you are going to a data center, right? Now, if asked to me, I'm technical administrator, whatever server administrator. So Mukhtar want to open the company and he's asking to me, so please, I need to open the branch office. So that time first I will take the designing, first implementation, planning. So first I will go, so how many users are working in your company? How many employees working? That is the first thing. And what are the resources you are using? And what is your cost? Okay. And what is the usage? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So that time, say, okay, 15 to 25 people are using the printer because everybody is not using the printer, right? So only selected people are using the printer. Everyone can't
Yes.
use the printer, right? Because they're
Yes.
developers. Okay, clear. So 15 to 20 people are using the printer. Okay. So data storage, this much I require data storage. Okay. And fourth question, and the last question I will ask. This is the physical server you are buying. In the future also, you want to shift in virtual server, virtualization. So if he say yes, so that time I will give the different operating system advice. If he say no, only physical server, so that time I will give the different operating system advice for using. Clear? What? See here, foundation essential is very support to low physical environment and only few users is support. For example, essential is support only 25 users. But Usman or Dhair just want to 20 more than 25 users, 100 users, 200 users. So that time I can't use the essential. I can't use the foundation. Understand?
Yes.
Are you people understand or not? My
Yes,
point.
yes, sir.
What I want to say.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
Yes.
got it.
we are able to understand.
Yes. So make it clear. If any doubt, anything you're not understand, please ping me, okay? And please tell me, ask me. Clear? So
Yes, sir.
yes. So that is the reason I will prefer. Okay. So see here, 25 users. Okay, printer, how many people you are using the printer? 20 to 15. In the future, maximum 20. Okay, right. So go with the foundation, right? Because foundation is support 25 users. Okay. So what is the cost? The cost is 3,000, 5,000, 8,000. Okay, $1,000. Okay. So for printer use print server, go with the foundation. Okay, because it's support 25 user. In the future also, you can add more 5 user, 5 to 7 user. Okay, right. So I will prefer to print server operating system, which foundation edition, Windows 2012 or whatever. So 2012 foundation for print server. Clear? So how much the cost? $1,000. Clear? Essential. For example, you want to use the different purpose, storage purpose, different purpose. So that time you can go the standard. Okay. So how many users in the organization? I have thousands of users. Okay. Maybe I will increase the branch office. I will increase the user. So that time I will say preferred. Okay, standard. And third things. Okay, you want to keep in physical or virtualization. And virtualization, so all your company branches is shifted to virtualization or only few branches. So Mr. Usman Aram just said, no, only 2 branches of we want to shift to virtualization. So that time I will give the advice to is go with the standard. Understand?
Yes.
Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, Mr.'s whatever XYZ person, he said, I have unlimited users across the globe. For example, Microsoft, you take the Microsoft, how many branches office across the globe? And how many users, how many employees do you think? Is huge, right? We can't say, we can't count that much. And second thing, virtualization. I want to shift the virtualization to whole my network. Okay. So that time I prefer data center server. Hello, understand everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understand.
No. Why not standard? Because
Because
standard,
it's
standard because I told you only 2 branches office he want to shift to the virtualization. But yet Amjad want to complete whole branches, head office, everything want to shift it to do virtualization.
Yes, sir.
So that time I prefer to data center. Only 1 or 2 branches office, that time I prefer to standard. Why? Because standard support to only 2 virtual servers. Standard support to only?
2 virtual.
Yes. Only 2 virtual server. Right? After that, third one you want to configure, so you have to buy the license. Clear? But same like that, data center is support to unlimited. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it's about unlimited. So those people, which company want to everything, I want to shift it to the cloud or shift it to virtual. So that time go to the data center. Okay, standard. Okay, clear? enterprises level.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. So that is the reason editions is available. Okay. So and server standard cost is $6,000. Is data center is a $8,000, right?
Yeah.
If, yes. If I'm just using print server purpose, also data server. Okay. Print server storage purpose is using data center, and normal user management purpose is using the data center. So $8,000. So it's become a huge amount, right? This time Mukhtar is for print server is using the essential or foundation, and user management purpose is using the standard, and virtualization purpose all server is using the data center. So that time what happened? Cost effective, right?
Yes, sir.
And work is also going to be smoothly. So no any disturbance to each other, right? Got the point?
Yes.
Because 25 users, because all users is mixed, unlimited. So how many people thinking, oh, this is free. Where is the free? So all people are going to that way, right? So free user means some people are going to be create. So it's very difficult to manage, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is the reason additions are available. Okay.
Sir, in this only two types, sir, standard and data center.
Total 4 editions: foundation,
Four.
essential,
Foundation,
standard,
essential,
and data
standard
center.
data
Yes.
center.
Yes.
Yeah.
Foundation. And you can get the information in Google. Okay, what is the difference? Because the Google said that this many processor is used, this much memory is used. Okay, so that is everyone can say, right? But those people know that in real-time enrollment, the answer is different. Okay, got the point?
Okay. Okay. Sir.
Because if you people are thinking all are institute, those are complete the server administrator, they are coming. So what is the difference between foundation, essential, standard, data center? So they will say, yes, this much is support this many processor, based on requirement we have to use. Okay, this many processor, because foundation is support 2 processor. Okay, 2 processor is people are thinking, right? Think if big environment, IBM company, IBM company is big company, right? So that is 2 processes is not enough. So what should, okay, I will give the answer data standard. Maybe standard is used more processor, right? Like that answer people are give the answer, right? But actually the real thing is
We need to understand.
designing, planning and designing. Got the point here? So if it is shifted to virtual. So based on the planning, so we have to select the additions. Clear?
Yes, sir. Planning should be done as per the requirement.
Yes, as per the requirement, right? So first take the information. Then, okay, clear? Now,
Sir, excuse me, sir.
yes.
Sir, do you have any definition for small one-line definition for this all words, sir? Foundation, essential, like any picture for one line definition, sir. Enough. Like standard only works for only 2 virtual server. Data center supports whole servers like this.
That thing you want.
If you have, you can share in our group, now, sir.
Okay. I will share. That complete information is there, so I will share.
Yeah.
Okay.
One line, main word definition is enough, sir. To understand everyone clearly. I am saying that.
That's I'm telling. Okay, that definition is you can get everywhere in the books, in Google, brother, Google everywhere. Okay, clear.
Yeah,
Okay, no problem, no issue. I will share. Okay, doesn't matter.
Okay.
Clear.
Clear.
So I have plan. Okay, so when we can provide it. Okay. So first thing I need to prepare your brain. Okay, work hard. Okay.
Sir, do you have any PDF or any something?
Everything I have. Okay. So we'll give because organization is there, so I will submit it to our organization. Okay. So inshallah they will provide each and everything, whatever I have. Okay. So it doesn't matter for that one. Okay. So PDF, videos, okay, material, doesn't bother about that one. How much material, how much video, whatever you want, you can write. But
Sir, sorry
main
to
thing,
interrupt you.
understand. Yes.
Sir, actually your voice is it's a
Getting low, sir.
break in between.
Yeah.
Can you
breaking
check
and
your
getting
mic
low.
settings, sir? Might be, or else only I'm facing that problem. I don't know.
No.
Now it's
even
okay?
I'm testing that.
Yeah. Now it's okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Clear? So that is,
Yeah.
don't bother about that one things. Okay. Inshallah, we will provide best of best knowledge. Okay. Sorry, best of best notes. But you get the, be prepared. Okay. Yourself. Okay.
Okay.
Good
Okay, sir.
notes. Okay. Don't bother about the notes. Okay. So
Okay,
notes
sir.
we will provide.
Now you
Doesn't
are
matter.
explaining. We
Because
should
that,
understand.
yeah. So first thing, understand, keep it mind, try to keep it mind in your okay brain. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
Yes,
kya
sir, I
We
bolenge
are
got it,
hum?
sir.
preparing
Yeah,
this,
sir.
running notes also, sir.
Yes.
Whatever
Oh,
important points we are feeling, like these are important points. I'm also making a
yeah.
note of this.
So one of my students, I'm telling about the last 2 years, 4 years back, same like that. Whatever I'm going to say, he write each and everything, single word. Even I give the example also, he's written the example also. So sometimes I ask, so he's not give the answer. So I thought you are giving the knowledge to books here, but you're not taking that knowledge.
No, sir, we are not doing that way.
But I'm not
we are
get
listening.
both. Yes, listening
Whatever
and get the.
important and
You
key
give to
points
the
are there.
knowledge to book also and yourself also.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
Yes, try to okay. If you're not understand, so tell me, ask me, because till 5 times, till 10 times you can ask. Doesn't matter, because if we increase half an
Yeah,
hour,
yes, sir.
increase 10 minutes, it
Understand.
doesn't
You have
matter. But
patience, sir.
you have
You
to
have lot of
understand.
patience.
Yes, but you have to understand. Okay, that is the main point of my intention. Okay, clear. So operating system. So server operating system, client operating system is clear. Any doubt? So
Yes,
server
sir.
operating system we are using server side, and client operating system we are using in client side, right? So now, anybody have idea how to secure the desktop operating system? Security means, for example, I'm giving, everybody listen to me. Security means, for example, someone, my brother, my sister, anybody, okay, if I stay in the room, so my roommate, so they are bring the pen drive and connect to my system, my laptop, right?
Yeah.
So every time, and his copy and take information and blah blah extra. I don't want all these things, right? So I fed up so many times. I tell him, please don't connect because he's virus, anything, right? So please don't do this one. But he's not listening. So that time I want to stop. So if I say personally, please don't fix and don't use pen drive to my system. So that time maybe he's get hurt, right?
Yeah. He feel bad maybe.
Yes. So that time I want to secure from his pen drive to my system. So how I can? Do you have any
We
idea?
can install antivirus, sir.
Sir, we can disable the USB ports
Yes. From where?
from this device manager and from the settings, control panel settings.
Control panel setting.
Yeah, device
Yes,
settings.
sir.
Device setting. Are you able to see my screen?
Sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. From
Yes.
group policy as well.
Yes. Group policy. Who's this guy? Who said that group policy?
Sir, me, Riyaz.
Huh?
Riyaz Ahmed, sir.
Riyaz
Riyaz.
Ahmed.
Riyaz, sir.
Riyaz.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
which type of group policy? अरे यार अटक गया मैं बोल के group policy. Don't think like that, okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Like domain level, I think so.
Domain level also, okay?
Yes.
But my question is desktop level. Ilyas.
Riyaz.
Yes.
Riyaz.
Yes, sir.
Riyaz.
Yes, sir.
Riyaz. Desktop level.
Yes,
Desktop
sir.
level.
Desktop level. Okay, sir.
So same group policy or not?
No,
Because you said the
No,
group
no,
policy in the
sir.
domain.
no, sir.
Yes,
This group policy is for controlling me for servers and
Only
the
server side.
company. Yes.
Okay.
Only for
For
server, sir.
the group policy works over there for
Okay.
and for our individual and
desktop, I
home-based
think-
system.
So
we have to
he
go
said
with-
Control
that,
center.
okay, Usman said that control panel, open the control panel, you are able to see, right? So device manager. I open the device manager. Now from here, USB, I disable, right?
Yes, sir. Right. You
Yes.
can disable.
But disable is not there. Uninstall is there. Disable is there. Okay,
Yeah.
disable. So disable. But the problem is,
Yeah. Problem is?
if I want to connect my pen drive also is not a work.
Yeah, but we can access now, sir. Then when we
Yeah.
want, we can enable.
When he go away, so that time you can access, right?
But
Yeah.
again, this becomes a
Yes.
very tedious process.
Okay. Yes, yes. Pen drive.
So what
Okay,
is the
right.
solution for this?
Okay. Second thing, what he will do, he's open my computer and he saw, oh, one partition is very free. So he's copy and storing his pen drive data every time. He's a addict for the to see the movies, horror movies. Okay. So daily he's bring the 2-3 movies and storing them in my system.
So then we can
Yeah.
keep password, na, sir.
Keep
Password.
because he's feeling bad like that. One person is said
No,
that
no.
feeling bad. If I've got, oh, this guy. Okay.
So we can
He's belong to
install
some village because village
antivirus, na,
people
sir.
are, yeah.
Yeah, sir. Antivirus.
No antivirus, because from here also we can, so means local group policy. This is called local group policy. This available in the local system also, desktop
Okay.
operating system also. Okay.
Same,
And
same,
domain
same method do we have, sir? Something like
yeah, I
PAM?
will show you now. Okay. So means same method in our domain group policy and same thing we can do that in the local, but this is called local group policy. And that is the domain group policy management. In the server base, that is called group policy management. Here, local group policy. Clear?
Okay, sir. Sir, excuse me.
Yes, tell me.
Can you tell me which question are you explaining here? Yeah.
Here, desktop security. Desktop means just I'm asking, server is complete, desktop operating system is complete. So asking this is thing. So desktop is coming. So I want to say little bit different. What is that little bit different between local and server? And why we are using client side? Why desktop operating system? Why? What is the reason? Because what are the feature is available in the server? Previous week class we discussed yesterday class. What are the feature is available in the server? Maximum feature client should be utilized. So that purpose we are using client-based operating system, professional or ultimate, not home edition, premier edition. Remember that one? So that the difference I want to show you.
Yeah.
Why we need to use professional means corporate level operating system and home editions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir. No, sir. I was asking which question in this list. Yeah.
In this wish list?
List like introduction to Windows physical server.
No,
Which
this
question was
is other than, this is other than extra.
extra
Extra,
Oh,
because for, 2 rupees is no change. So one is chocolate, right?
okay.
No change for chocolate. Take the chocolate like that. Okay. But is related to, because easier, because here group policy management is there. In this
Yeah.
here configure the group policy. See introduction the 16 point, introduction the group policy. Okay, apply the policy. Okay, so group policy, here group policy management is there. It's same thing here as well. So what is the difference this policy and this policy? Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir, can you show how we can?
I will show you. I will show you. First, you need to understand, okay, why we need to use the client and what is the difference between server group, server operating system. So this is the client operating system we can use, but the first thing, this feature is available only group policy, local group policy available only Windows 7 Professional and Windows Ultimate. If you have other than home edition, premier edition, if you try, you can't find this one, because that operating system only home purpose, personal use purpose. Got it?
Yeah.
And
But
this professional and ultimate, this is corporate for client based operating system.
yeah.
Understand? So why is client, why we can fix client here? Because whatever feature is available in the server, feature we can utilize. Okay, got the point? So same like that, I give the one example. So for example, group policy. So group policy is here also and there also, because the client can, if the feature is available in the client operating system, so that time he can utilize the complete service from the server group policy. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So here, for example, start my computer. This is my pen drive.
Hmm.
Okay, so I connect this one. And second thing is start control panel, right? You have seen the control panel?
Yes, sir. Control panel, go in control.
Yes. Start control panel. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I want to hide this control panel because every time my friend is coming and changing the desktop, all these things, right? You got the point. So many things is changing, devices is changing, enable because I'm disable because he know because someone is telling go to the control panel and go to the device manager and disable. But the guy is know, oh, something is problem. He's open the control panel and he's entered the device manager
And he will
and
enable.
enable. Khalas. After that, he can access. So that is the reason what I will do. First thing I disable in the device manager, and second thing I remove this control panel. So that time from where he can bring. No, understand?
If he
Clear?
have knowledge, then he can bring. No, sir.
Yes. If have the knowledge, you can. Why you are coming and why I'm going to teach? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Clear? Understand? So
Excuse me,
you
sir.
have the. Yes. Yes. Tell me.
Sorry for interrupting, sir. Assalamu alaikum to all of you.
Malu.
Actually, you have to finish this session 5 minutes.
Okay. Oh.
Due to 3:30 after second session, we'll start inshallah.
Okay. Okay. Because I thought 2:30. Okay. Okay. Yes. Sure. No
So
problem.
up 3.
3:25. I will finish. 3:25.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Oh, okay, sure. Thank you. Thanks so much. Okay, so let's start group policy. So first, what is a group policy? Group policy is a collection of setting which is applied to users and computers. Hello?
Sir,
Sir, can you
continue, sir,
repeat this
continue.
definition? Just now you said something.
Yes.
Group policies.
Group policy is a collection of setting which is apply users on computers.
Group policy.
Group policy is a collection of settings. Because just you can see, because I will give you this one. Okay, what is the group policy? When the topic is come, I will explain. Okay,
Okay, sir.
just I want to show the difference.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
because
Yes,
I have
yes.
less time, so that is a group
Okay, sir. Okay, go ahead.
gp edit.msc group policy edit, because I want to modify it. Why I need to modify it? Because this is the behavior, this is the default behavior I want to change. What is the default behavior? Operating system behavior, default behavior. What is the by default operating system behavior? When you click start button, so operating system should show the control panel. That is the default behavior of the operating system, right? So I want to change this by default behavior because I don't want the control panel here. I don't want to open the control panel. No one can open the control panel. So that is the default behavior I want to change. So that is the reason the option only group policy edit. Okay, so that is the reason GP edit, group policy edit, and .msc Microsoft console. Clear?
Microsoft console.
Yes. Clear?
Clear,
And
sir.
click on OK. And see here. So computers and users. I told you is a group policy, a collection of setting which is applied to users and computers. Okay.
Okay.
So maximum 80-90% that apply the policy apply on users, right? If you apply the computer, so other shift person cannot access, right? So that is the reason maximum is apply on users groups. Okay. So here is administer template and see the control panel. Expand user configuration. I will show you. I have this all this PPT. I will tell you. Okay, I will give you. I will share you. Okay. Okay. So administer templates control panel. So when you go to the control panel, one option is there: hide specified control panel items. Clear? When you open, so not configure means by default operating system behavior, not configure. Disable, enable means same thing, right? So I enable and click on apply. into the list. Okay.
Sir, in this group policy,
No,
maybe
see,
you
yes,
need to add.
prohibited access to the control panel.
Okay.
Okay. Apply and okay. Prohibited access to the control panel. Here specify. I don't want specified item, so I want to prohibit completely access to the control panel. Prohibited access to the control panel. When you open, so see, it doesn't. You can't see here control panel. Hello, everyone.
Yes, sir.
And I want to try to open. I want to try to open control panel. So from here, so I want to open control. So I get the one error. The operation has been cancelled due to the restrictions to affect it on this computer. Please contact your administrator. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Again, open, not configure, apply. Okay. So go. See, control panel is open. Now open run command. Type control. I can able to open control panel. Okay. So like that. We'll see. So tomorrow I will show you more two things. Okay, because just we can go to the idea. Okay, and then next tomorrow we'll go to the what is the requirement to install the operating system. Now maybe one class, maybe a theory. After that, all classes, lab and theory both at a time simultaneously. Okay.
Okay.
Sir,
Maybe
one question.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, as you told, this is a local group policy.
Yes.
So we are going with the local user or admin user here to change the settings.
This is administration because I'm administrator. I'm logging with
Okay, okay.
administrator. This apply to everybody, right? So these policy
Yes.
apply to everybody, but I don't want to apply on administrator. I want to particular user. Okay. So all these things we discuss in the group policy management. Okay. Not here.
Okay.
Just I want to show client operating system why we are going to make, because what are the feature is available, because this feature is not available home editions. If you connect the home editions, server is providing this way, but he can't understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Same like that, he don't know anything, and you can the person is coming and you are going to teach engineering, right? But he's not going to school also.
Yes.
Okay. Sir,
Same like
one-
okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
One more
Yes.
question.
Clear.
So
One more question.
yes, so we can continue tomorrow. Inshallah, maybe one class or two classes is theory classes, because I want to show you both. Okay, first tomorrow we'll discuss what are the requirement to install, and then Active Directory. Okay. Okay. So we will inshallah tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Take care till that time. Inshallah.
Take
Allah
care.
Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.
Good afternoon.